Intro to statics. Statics is concerned with the equilibrium of a body that is either at rest or in constant motion. In the real world, it is nearly impossible to see objects that aren't influenced by a force. Even a box that is resting on top of a table, not being pushed or pulled by you, has a force acting on it. These forces are the force that is caused by acceleration due to gravity, pointing always to the center of Earth in this case, the weight of the box, and the normal reaction of the table that is perpendicular to the surface of the box. And now maybe you'll be asking, if these forces, the weight of the box, and normal reaction of the table, act on this box, then why does this box is not moving? The answer to this is that, in this particular example, it just turns out that the normal reaction and the weight of the box cancels out, leaving you a net force of 0. This phenomenon in statics is what we call equilibrium. Now, since we are dealing here with the mechanics of how a force affects the motion of a body, it is important also to learn how these forces can be described based on the location where these forces act. In this video, we have 4 different force systems: the coplanar concurrent, coplanar non-concurrent, non-coplanar concurrent, and lastly, the non-coplanar non-concurrent forces. Coplanar concurrent forces are forces that meet only in a single point and share the same plane. Coplanar non-concurrent, on the other hand, are forces that still share the same plane but now do not meet on a single point. Upper left corner represents the concurrent coplanar force system in the XY plane. Notice that the 4 forces which are represented by blue, yellow, purple, and green forces meet on a single point. And on the upper right is a non-concurrent coplanar force system, and still in the XY plane because it's coplanar. The blue, purple, green, and yellow forces do not meet in a single point. And on the lower left is a concurrent but non-coplanar force systems. The yellow, green, purple, blue, and red doesn't meet, or rather meet in a single point but not in the same plane. Notice that it's already X, Y, and Z plane. And lastly, the non-concurrent and non-coplanar, still in the XYZ plane, but the difference is that they do not meet in a single point. Also, they do not meet in the same plane. It is important to be familiar with the arrangement of forces in a force system, the magnitude of it, and where it is located, so that as you proceed on studying statics, you'll find it convenient to apply equilibrium equations on finding some unknown values. So that's it for this video. If I missed some information or I made mistakes on what I have said, feel free to comment down in the comment section below. Thank you. Stay tuned.